Shiba Inu could be deleting a lot of zeros in the coming weeks, and this is gonna be massive. But you're probably wondering how this is going to happen. Is there a massive burn coming up? Are there new projects coming up? Is the SHIB team launching another token? Well, make sure to watch this video to the end because you're about to find out. In the next few minutes, I'm gonna let you in on the latest updates coming for Shiba Inu that could delete a few of the zeros from the Shiba Inu price and cause holders to enjoy massive gains. So make sure to watch this video to the very end. It's definitely going to blow your mind. Disclaimer. What's up, SHIB Army? Thanks for checking out the channel today. In this video, I'm going to be letting you in on a number of updates that are so powerful that could lead to a complete deletion of a couple of zeros from the Shiba Inu price. That's right, people, get ready to make some major gains in the coming weeks. These updates are going to blow your mind. Let's get to it. Before we get to the main news though, a very quick update on the Shiba Inu Metaverse. According to Watcher Guru, Shytoshi Kusama has just unveiled the SHIB Metaverse Wagmi Temple Alpha Preview. Actually, with the Shiba Inu ecosystem growing in leaps and bounds, the dev team is releasing sneak peeks into the promising virtual reality program. This definitely feels like good news chasing good news. I mean, just last week, we finally got to see the Shibarium beta. And now with the Shibarium Metaverse just about to launch, the SHIB Army now have the opportunity to see firsthand what the Metaverse is gonna look like. The new preview will make it easy for SHIB holders to buy land while checking out the map. And from what we know, a piece of land in the Shiba Inu Metaverse costs about 0.2 ETH. Moreover, the sneak peeks reveal that the SHIB Metaverse is quite a stunner. So if you're interested, you can check out the preview and maybe grab some lands while you're at it. Alright, now to the main news. But make sure to keep watching to the end because I've saved the biggest update for last, and it's a really juicy one. So just a couple of days back, Shiba Inu was able to escape the formation of a gloomy death cross. Now to fully understand what this means, you'd have to understand what a death cross is and what that means for Shiba Inu prices. So let's find out what it means. The death cross is a chart pattern that signals a growing weakness in an asset's price. Usually this formation suggests that the bears are trying to take a long-term control of the cryptocurrency. However, smart investors take this as an opportunity to buy the asset at a discounted price and accumulate tokens. Now, the death cross is the complete opposite of a golden cross, a pattern that forms when the average price moves above a long-term average price. A pattern that forms when the average price moves above a long-term average price. Simply put, if the short-term price is higher than the longer-term price, it indicates that recent sentiment around an asset's price is optimistic and may be preceded by an upward momentum in an asset's price. Alright, now that you understand, let's find out what's happening with Shiba Inu. So for a few several days, the crypto market enjoyed a massive rally. However, that died down after a while, except that Shiba Inu seemed to set up a continuation pattern after the consolidation period. According to the Daily Coin, the bull pennant pattern uses two converging lines for consolidation prior to the breakout. In technical terms, if the crypto candle stalks from a bullish pennant with sufficient relative strength index or RSI, other technical signals also should be considered before making a decision. For instance, the homeless millionaire suggests on Twitter that Shiba Inu might make a couple of repeated moves sideways or even down before Shiba Inu moves up in prices again. This suggests that traders and investors might want to weigh their options carefully before making any move. What is sure and confirmed though is that Shiba Inu is definitely on its way up. So as I said, get ready. As a matter of fact, there seems to be a huge concentration of whales in Shiba Inu. Since the Shibarium beta launch, both Ethereum and BSC whales have been actively accumulating SHIB tokens. And between Sunday and Monday, Shiba Inu enjoyed a price pump of about 3.3%, which meant significant gains for all holders. But do you know the best part? The bullish momentum has not been restricted to Shiba Inu alone. Even Bone has been able to get some of that bullish momentum to come its way. In the same time period that Shiba Inu pumped, Bone surged 3.6% to re-enter the green zone. Although this has not helped Bone recover from its last week's pullback, The fact that it's on a bullish momentum is definitely a good sign. Alright, as I said, I saved the best part for last. So be sure to stay tuned as I'm about to unveil the big update that will guarantee a permanent deletion of a couple of zeros from Shiba Inu's price. But before we get to that, let's take a break with this very important announcement. This channel has a daily giveaway of 100,000 SHIB. For a chance to participate in this giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to this channel, like this video, and leave a comment below #ShibaInu. Good luck. Alright, back to the video. So, what's the biggest update I've been keeping from you? Well, it's about traditional banks, and you might be wondering what it means for Shiba Inu. It's actually really huge, even though it's not obvious right away. So make sure you keep watching and follow really closely. So by now you already know about the collapse of the Silicon Valley Bank. Well, finance experts are worried that this might begin an epidemic of financial instability and crashes that could affect the banking sector of the US. Specifically, BlackRock CEO Lawrence Fink has warned that there might be more bank seizures in the future. Fink said that it was not clear if the banking crisis, triggered by rising interest rates, would claim more victims. He did mention though that it is inevitable that some banks will pull back on lending going forward to refine their balance sheets. Now, if this happens, it could cause bank clients to turn more to capital markets for their financing in the face of asset-liability mismatches that affected Silicon Valley Bank and other institutions. However, the BlackRock exec does admit that the quick regulatory action taken helped to stave off what would have become a much wider crisis. In his words, "It's too early to know how widespread the damage is. The regulatory response has so far been swift, and decisive actions have helped stave off contagion risks. But markets remain on edge." Now, what does this mean for Shiba Inu? Well, here's the thing. The banks run everything when it comes to money and the financial structure of the world. As much as we have cryptocurrency as an alternative to traditional finance, you have to admit that crypto is not yet mainstream. So this trend with the bank crashes is probably going to upset everything. For instance, people are going to begin losing their trust in banks. When this happens, you know what comes next? Of course, when the traditional system fails, people are going to make their way over to a financial system that is less controlled by the government. What system is that going to be? Of course, it has to be crypto. In other words, with the failure of banks and with the top players in the sector predicting that this is going to be a continuing trend, we could see more and more people making their way into crypto. And this is good news for crypto in general, but for Shiba Inu in particular. Now, here's why. Shiba Inu is one of the most popular cryptocurrencies in the market. Plus, it has recently launched its blockchain, Shibarium. Also, don't forget everything we talked about recently with SHIB on a bullish momentum that ended for the entire crypto market. All in all of these developments make Shiba Inu a really attractive option for those who are looking for more preferable ways to store their money other than in banks. And so, with increased demand for Shiba Inu, the value of the token is bound to increase, which could lead to the deletion of zeros from Shiba Inu's price. Anyway, tell me what you think about all of these updates by dropping your comment below. I'd definitely love to know what your thoughts are. And with that said, we've now come to the end of today's video. I'm sure you found it interesting. If you enjoyed the video, then please like this video and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. This really helps me with the YouTube algorithm. Also, please share this video to as many people as possible. Let's get this news out there.